For me, I was grown up in southern part of India and I did most of my childhood here. When I started studying up here and then missing my mom, I started trying my own recipes, and once I have the confidence level in me, like I can cook myself, why don't we give this taste to everyone who are up here in Plano? The reason why we chose a Plano is because it's like a place where you go and try all different kind of cuisines. The first one is chana bhatura, which goes with a chickpeas curry, coming with a chana gravy that makes your tummy fly. The second one is the soft and steamed idlis. It is basically the rice and urad dal. So those are the favorite and the topmost breakfast item. It is super healthy. The third dish is a variety of dosas, and also it includes pesarattu. The pesarattus and all these dosas are made with the lentils, the moong dal and the urad dal, and it is served always with a few condiments, coconut chutney, tomato chutney and also peanut chutney. So these chutneys are the condiments that you dip the dosas along with, and then you enjoy the flavors of them. And the vegetable sambar that goes along with it, that adds the spiciness, because it's basically the lentil soup added with vegetables and then served piping hot. The fourth dish is called medu vadas. That looks like a donut shape, and that's also made up of the urad dal. We don't add any preservatives to it. Almost all those batters are made every day, and that's why we sell to our customers. I just want to give them the taste of the real vegetarian food.